Come with me on a legal tour of London, starting at the City Law School. The City Law School was the first law school in London to train students at all stages of legal training. I think it's really cool to visualize how one can begin at City but end up working in one of these historic buildings. So let's hop on the bus and take a short ride to our first destination. The City Law School is situated in legal London with important courts and firms a short distance away. Its close proximity is really advantageous for students when thinking of undertaking internships or attending networking events throughout the year. Oh, and here's our stop, so let's get off and walk a short distance to the Guildhall courts. Today, the courts are mainly used for administrative matters or resolving civil disputes, but historically, it's been the seat of local government and justice dating back to the 12th century. Now, we make our way to the City of London Magistrates Court, which is a 5-minute walk away. So this is a relatively smaller court that deals with minor offenses committed within the City of London's geographical boundaries. Now we're going to catch the tube and make our way to the Central Criminal Court, otherwise known as the Old Bailey. Here we have the Old Bailey, which dates back to the 16th century and is an iconic part of the country's judicial system. It's important because it hears very serious, high-stakes criminal cases, and it is only a 20-minute walk away from the City Law School. Next up is a short walk to the Rolls Court building. The City Courthouse Rolls building houses some of the most important civil law courts in the UK, such as the Commercial Court and the Chancery Division. So for those interested in corporate and commercial law, you never know, you may end up here. Next up, we're going to take a short walk to the Inns of Court. There are 4: Middle Temple, Inner Temple, Gray's Inn, and Lincoln's Inn, and these are basically professional legal associations that have played a historic but key role in the training and development of barristers in England and Wales. And membership to one of the inns is a requirement for aspiring barristers. The City Law School really does provide the relevant skills and attributes that enable its graduates not only to achieve but also succeed in their aspiring careers. It's really reassuring as a law student myself that I'm coming out of the same establishment and being educated by the same educators. So anyways, our next and final stop is the Royal Court of Justice, where interestingly enough, I took part in a mock trial located here last year. It just goes to show how City Law students stand to benefit from not only the school's deep-rooted history in the City of London, but also the relationships fostered in the legal industry as a result of its close proximity to the London legal sector.